Just chilling today. Want to show y'all something real fast before I show y'all the new addition to the family. Oh, hold on. Y'all know what time it is. 2K time, baby. Look at that. Add my gamer tag at the Man LB YouTuber. I gotta get on here with these kids, man, who all they do is game and I work. So I just actually my son bought the game last night without me knowing. But anyway, show y'all the new guy. Let me get down here real quick. Oh, whoa, 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 look at him.
Look at Zulu and me, we're best friends.
His name is Zulu. There's Keyshawn. He said that's his best friend.
And Zulu is my best friend.
He was the biggest out his litter. What kind of dog is he, Keyshawn?
He is a white dog and his name is called Zulu.
Okay, but what kind of dog? He's a pit bull.
He's a pit bull.
Yeah, a pit bull. Zulu, come here.
Zulu,
Come here, dude. He been making a mess in the house. But, you know how that goes with dog. Let's sit this down on the tripod. There you go. Say hey, man. Say what's up. Say what's up to the camera. What's up to the camera? What's up?
What's up? I'm not acting like he said what's up.
Him and Keyshawn, they was fighting yesterday, wrestling.
Yeah. And then we got our first Mom, what was that called again?
He was biting Keyshawn's hair. As you can see, this dude hair's
He was biting my
crazy
hair.
long.
And I put a tub on top of him. What was that called again, Mom?
Now he's eating his ball.
And we got our first separation.
I'm finna zoom in on this, guys. Oh, look at that. Bought him from a 70-year-old man. The man was like 70-something years old, but he said that this dog and the other dogs were like 7 months, but he looked like he about 4 months. He's not big at all, but he was the biggest out his litter. You see how I zoom in, man. This camera nice when it zoom in. Hello. Uh-oh. Oh, hold on. Don't lick it, no. No, dude. Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait. God. Hold on, go back, way too close. Okay, this ain't gonna work, buddy. This ain't gonna work. Hold on, man. Okay. That's crazy. But he going to his bowl in there. Y'all see his bowl right there?
Yeah, and his right here.
You saw the camera a little bit? I zoomed in on it, son. Straight. See? Ain't so much, son. They playing. But yeah, his bowl and his stuff right over there. Here you go again. Oh, don't scratch my foot. Don't bite my foot. Oh. God, let me get up. Oh my goodness. Oh, not my shoe. Give my shoe, dude. Give it here. No. Man. Yeah, he's doing pretty good. Been trying to potty train him. Not potty train him, but what is it called? House is he peeing? Oh, okay, I thought he was peeing, but to say, oh man. Trying to house train this guy, man. You see him well? It's a good dog so far. What did he eat?
Oh, that's nice.
I don't know what it is. Hey, Keyshawn, open that. Well, it's straight.
Open the way.
It's taking away from my lighting. Open that door right there, Key.
Open
the front door.
What is Zulu doing?
Just, he ain't gonna go out there. I'm trying to get more lightning in here, cause yeah. All right.
He's right behind me.
y'all subscribe to my channel, man. I'm finna game today on that 2K20.
Hey, Dad, you know what's how many
Been
likes
playing
you
that Gears of
did
War
on
5.
You know how many likes you did on this video, Dad?
Huh?
You should did
Oh,
like,
awesome.
Dad, you know how many likes you did on this video?
Straight.
Dad, do you know
How many likes? How many likes should we get?
You said it 10K likes. That's
10K likes?
Yeah.
10,000 likes?
Yeah, 10,000.
You think somebody gonna watch this video?
Yeah.
Hey, he eating something. What is he eating?
Hey, get that.
Get out his mouth, Key.
Don't eat that. That's something black.
Ah, he bit my finger. Stop, boy.
Stop biting.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Come on. There you go. Yeah. So,
Alright, as you can see,
yeah, man, we in here.
we in here.
Yeah, we in here. See him?
Look at him. He's cute, isn't he? Aww.
Let's see your teeth. Let's see your teeth. Oh, come here. Oh, you gone.
No, you're not gonna do it away, Zulu. I did him, Dad. Did him.
Oh.
Did him. He's done. Look
Yeah.
at your camera.
Look, let's show him. Let's lay down. I'm gonna lay down into the camera. Let's show him your teeth. Look, man.
Show
Look.
me your
Wait,
teeth.
wait. Zulu, come here.
Zulu, Zulu.
Let's see. You got good teeth. You got sharp teeth. You biting us like you have sharp teeth, dude. Oh.
Open up his mouth. I don't want to do
Oh,
it.
he got blue eyes. Don't stick him in the eye.
I'm trying
You gonna make him look like what's the dude name from Avengers?
No. This one nowhere. So that was the end video.
It's the end of the video already.
No, it's not the end of the video. It's not
This
the
guy
end.
right here.
And Zulu is
What
like
second
the-
grader? What second grader takes coding? This man right here takes coding.
And I'm
He's doing
7
so
years
school.
old.
He doing so good in school that they put him in coding, advanced class. That's good. That's real good, man. You know. Zulu.
Zulu, step away from that straps. Step away from that straps. Got him. We got him. We got him.
Feed me some Rotel dip.
What? I also want to tell you too, Dad.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, don't go. Let me get up. Let me get my butt up. Say bye, man. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say Zulu. Say bye.
I'm
Don't
acting
kiss
like
me. I
this.
don't kiss dogs. I don't kiss no dogs, buddy.
I like kissing dogs. Whoa.
Hey, tell them to subscribe, y'all. Zulu, come here. Tell them to subscribe to the channel, Key. Say subscribe. 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 Subscribe.
And
Subscribe.
don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Oh, yeah.
And
Yeah.
let's get it. Peace.